We're at the Citadel Outlet Mall, and we're starting at the Nike factory store. This place is a hit or miss. Got a little heat wall right here. Okay. You know, we've seen certain spots with same discount. That's what's up. This is the first time I've ever seen the 9s on sale. That's pretty freaking dope. Got 8s right here. Got the Kobe Air Forces. And I got a couple of sneakers right here where you don't get no discounts, man. No discounts. Oh wait, actually no, never mind. Oh, is this? Oh no, this might be grade school. Yeah, it's size 8. So yeah, never mind. That is discounted. So only the Flight Club Jordan 4s with no discounts. But yeah, I still want these. I still want them. I wonder if I should. Man, this looks like, oh, it's a size 11 right here. Damn. Trying to buy less and less stuff. Not doing a great job though. In the back wall, you do get 30% off. You can see some interesting stuff. Jordan 1 High OGs right here, 140. Also see the Rare Airs right here, 140 for those as well. Jordan 1 Low OGs. It's all stuff that we've seen at a lot of other outlets. $100. Lakers colorway of the Air Max Uptempo, aka Uptempo 95s. This one get a little smudge on it. But yeah, 130 for these. That you could probably clean right off. That might be a little tougher because yeah, the bottom portion is suede. But sometimes you can just brush that right off with the suede brush. 130 for those, especially with that 30 off, not bad, under $100. Being that they retail for like 160 or something like that. Metcon 8s for 70. Jordan 4Ms, I swear we've been seeing this at every freaking outlet, 140. Love seeing Nike by Use. What is this? Ja Morant 3s right here. That's actually not too bad. It's actually not too bad. A little touch of pink. It's like a neon pink. It actually closes, and it doesn't say Nike by like whoever made it. Nike by you also usually like 20% higher than regular silhouettes. Jordan 2 3s, 110. LeBron Next Gen 55. Some Nike boots down here. I don't even know what the hell that is. What is that? What is this? They look like some Under Armour boots or something. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. KD 18s. Interesting color, 120. They do have a lot of variety. That's the one thing that's good. Let's finish off the smaller sizes. Hopefully this is my size. No. Oh, size 11s. Size 11s, but I not liking that price. Alpha Fly Next Percent 3s. It looks like it's retail minus 30%. Dang nabbit. I do need to start running, man. I was sick last week. I did have a cold for a few days, so I didn't run at all last week. Need to get back on it. But yeah, I see a lot of these. A lot of KDs in different colorways. This is 120. I think I'm in like the size 8s, but see all kinds of different sizes. 140 for these 6.5s. Size 9s right here, 130. All right, let's see what's going on with the apparel where you get 30% off. And I've seen this at almost every Nike outlet lately. That is crazy. $40 here. I think I got it for cheaper. Definitely gonna have to size swap. We got some Tech Fleece 140 and these Tech Pack jackets. These are a medium 130. Rams hoodies 105. Is it me? Like the music louder than normal here. Usually I don't remember them blaring the music this loud. You got a 24/7 pullover XL 85. I don't remember having to yell over the music. $55 for this jacket right here. A lot of fleece. 130. Another Mamba hoodie. This is the black one. I really like the black ones. But yeah, $40. $40, 30% off of that. So yeah, that'd be $12 off. So $28. $28 for Mamba hoodies. That is crazy cheap, 60 bucks. Got a vest right here, 150. Got tech fleece, but there's zippers in the bottom. This is like a weird. This is really weird. I haven't seen tech fleece like that. Let's see what they're talking about. $80. Bunch of Chargers jerseys, and they've been going for way too high. Like pretty much full price. Yeah, 175. And I guess you get the 30 off. Bigger sizes over here. Then right when after I said there's some variety, like I'm seeing like the same stuff. Don't see any extended size pricing on those. Got some Gatos right here, $60. That's extended size price. And then yeah, seeing a lot of the same things and then a lot of generic stuff. Pegasus. Yeah, they're going for 110 too. That's kind of high. Look like a lot of generic stuff. Metcons, we saw these earlier. Yeah, like KDs. There's some GT Cut 3s right here. 210. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Yeah, bigger size. Look, all the same stuff over and over. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Moving on to the aisles, a bunch of Witnesses. So yeah, the budget signature basketball shoes over here. Got a bunch of those. We are starting to see more and more Kobe's. So we're going back to like 2018 where we found a ton of Kobe's at the outlets, which is freaking dope. Collectors, people who like to hoop, y'all can get your shoes. Some books right here. Non-signature Jordans right here. Saw this in the clearance section. And then we're starting to see more and more of these, which is something that I talked about in one of my recent mall vlogs. But yeah, starting to see more and more of these. That's the price some of the retail shops have them for. Plenty of sizes up to size 12. Then got some ones, Jordan 1 lows that is. And got some Zoom separates, Shox TLs, Field Generals, Air Max 2017s, and all black. I think I got mine here. I think I have this one at home. Got it in gray, light gray. Oh, I think I have this one, the one without the 3M Nike swoosh. I'm pretty sure I have this one. I think yeah, I got it for about that price. I got the Obsidians and got a couple of the Cortez, including the Force Gump Cortez right here. I'm a huge fan of these. I think I got it for $65.25 off, so I think I got it for a little cheaper. Rejuvenate slides, Flight Legacies, got some Tech Challengers, Air Max 90s, and all black. Looks like Nubuck, yeah, Nubuck, Spark Leather, Nylon, BN8s, and all black, and Air Max 90s, all white. Then of course you gotta have a couple of these 270s. Then they do got some Sabrina 3s, A1s. Isn't this a women's? Got some Kobe's. We've seen this in a couple spots now. Kobe 5. These are the Year of the Mambas. We got these bad boys right here. These lasted quite a long time at the retail shop, so not surprised to see them here. And then I don't see any Premier running shoes. Do see some Infinity Run Planet 3s, or I'm sorry, the 4s. And these came out a while ago. Like they discontinued it a while ago, so I'm trying to see when this was made. 2025, so they're still making these? I thought they were discontinued. This says 6/2025. What the hell? I thought they were already making the Vomeros and the new Pegasus lines already. What the hell? And then tons and tons of generics. There's several aisles of these generic shoes right here. Got a couple of Metcons. Decent price, but I think that's about it for the men's. All right, let's finish off the clearance apparel. We see more and more of these. And the price has been decent, 40 bucks. So yeah, that comes out to 28. We got the black ones right here, $60 for these. So a little bit more. The purple ones are all of them, every size. Yeah, it looks like every size, 40 bucks. Look at how huge these shorts are. And I saw the tag earlier. It's not even like crazy. It's an XL. XL looks that crazy huge. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's like their oversized stuff right now. 130. All right, downstairs the men's section, coming upstairs to the women's section over here. Of course, I gotta check the bigger sizes real quick. Jordan 4 RMs, 110. Don't see any running shoes, unfortunately. Jordan 1 lows, 120. Oh, wait. What's up? Over here, Pegasus Premiums, 165 though. Damn, no extended size. Pricing like orange. Got some Converse for 90 bucks. And those of you guys that are new to my channel, Converse is owned by Nike, so I believe they do take returns. So you will see an occasional Chuck once in a while, but yeah, I don't see anything great in the huge sizes. Another Pegasus Premium right here, size 9.5, but no price tag. And then in the women's aisles, kind of got the same stuff that we've seen at most of the other outlets, including all these dunks. Yeah, all right, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna move on to the next spot. We have other outlets to hit up. Hold up. Almost missed this section right here. Got a bunch of jerseys and stuff. I don't know all the soccer jerseys, but we do got stuff right here. What is this? 90? $60 for these. Are these just like generic Nike jerseys for soccer? Looks like the Argentinian colors, but yeah, I don't really see any names or any flags or anything. 60 bucks for all those. Yeah, I got so many different colors. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Let me know in the comment section, because they got so many different colors. All right, got one more spot to hit up. I did skip Adidas, man. Their last trip was just too weak. 40% off, clearance stuff, bigger sizes, fresh foam, 1080. Yeah, these are kind of whatever color. But yeah, 100 bucks, so 100 bucks, so 60 after the 40 off. Did forget to show you guys everything with the yellow sticker, gonna be 40% off. With these 574s right here, $90. 1906s, 130. 471s, 50 bucks. 70 for these. Was that the same one? Oh, that was different. Trying to check out some running shoes for my kiddo. Not really finding any 574s. I haven't seen this colorway anywhere. Interesting. Yeah, 90 bucks. 9060s right here. Got some reflective material around that end. Looks pretty dope. 130. 997s going for 80 bucks. Like that suede on it. 1080s again. Same colorways that we saw earlier. I'm like short, so I couldn't tell. Like it wasn't sticking up like that. Fuel cell Propel V5's latest version of those. Retail. But at least you get that 40% off. 110 for those. Alright, moving over to the women's section right here. Ooh, and these made the back wall. $219 for these. These are the Super Comp Elite V5s. These are their plated running shoes. The Tag Heuer version. But yeah, $219, not bad. Just want better prices because we've gotten lucky. $250. This is a Super Comp Trainer, $190. They got 574s right here. What's the price on these? These are going for 100 bucks. Another Super Comp Trainer, 180. Bunch of these in different sizes. Just another colorway? Is that the same one? I don't know. 250. 1080 V14's 100 bucks. 574. This is like, I don't understand that. 574. There's like two 574s. I don't know. Some of them were like that. I don't know why. Only certain colorways are labeled with that. Like this one right here just says 574. I don't really know what that's about. This is a newer one. So MSRP is 100 on them now. Damn, dude, they've gone up. Another 1080 right here. I was looking for like a kind of a plain color. One of these, like hopefully all black or something. That's what I'm trying to find for my kiddo. All right, and then in the aisles, a lot of their stuff's gonna be buy one get one 50% off. But there will be certain things that are 40% off. It's marked with a yellow tag, like these 880s. That one was $149.99. This is $135. This one's $130, and of course you get 40 off of that price. 100 bucks for these T500s. 471s go for 100. 480s go for 50 bucks, as well as these right here. Got a couple more. 1906 is 130. Same for these. The 996s for 150. 130 with 40% off for these. These retail for like 200 bucks normally. as you can see right here. That one's excluded from promo. That's $200. That was the men's. Let's see if we can find any yellow tagged item in the women's section. These so remind me of the Monarchs, the New Balance Monarchs. Yeah, they got the 1080s right here. These are buy one get one 50% off of 100, which is actually not bad. But I've gotten all mine for so cheap, so I'm gonna be patient. But yeah, I don't see any yellow tagged items in the women's section. I think this is it in this. Is this a men's, or I think this is a men's. Yeah, this is a men's on this side. That's it. That's it. So kind of an interesting mix. Better stuff in the women's clearance, but in the aisles, definitely a few better deals. But yeah, that's about it, you guys. That's about it.